Okay, today I'm going to tell something about art for all the ages, whoever is practicing. And I've been teaching from 2003 onwards, and I had a lot of understanding in this. I made my own research on it, and then I found out an answer. Basically, a lot of people see when the kids are doing an artwork, they find say, okay, do like this or do like that. This is not correct. This is wrong or something, and you end up handling up a child in a wrong manner. So what I'm trying to tell you is a child's memory is something like vast in the sense you cannot measure it. So though you say Einstein has got the highest IQ and things like that, it's not that. The childrens have the highest IQs when they are born, and please never say this is right or this is wrong. Always thing is, please try to listen to the conversation what the child is going to have. No matter when the child is drawing, for example a pre-KG child or something, when he's scribbling something and trying to express something to you, you have to just listen and understand what the child is going to tell it to you. And basically what it is like, if you're not able to understand the child better, also never say this is wrong. Okay, apple, this is an apple, you have to draw it in this shape, or you have to draw a tree in this format. Don't do that. Please let the child to come out with their own imagination. So the imagination part is a very very key role from the small childhood till the grade 5 age, so that try to expand the maximum of their creative imagination. So what happens is, when you're giving a topic to a child, please give them topics which is around the child. For example, okay, your dad has gone for an office, so draw your dad. Okay, mommy is cooking in kitchen, draw that. Or your draw your bed, or try to imagine something and draw. So what happens is the child will come up with his or her own answer, which you will not be able to understand. But please try to encourage, okay, this is great. Okay, try to understand the narration what the child is going to do, and that's how you can encourage your child. So what happens is, as gradually the child grows on, please try to feed in, like, this is how the shape, if you would have been drawn the shape, this would have been better. So always don't try to draw that and ask the child to copy. Instead of it, just try to give them that confidence that, okay, this shape would be like this, and ask the child to see from reality and draw it. For example, I had a very interesting child when I was teaching, like 10 years down the line. The child came to me, and the mother was very very kind of a, in a kind of a notion, saying that the child has got some problem, and the child would always scribble, will not color it in a pattern and things like that. It would be like a KG2 child, and the child would always scribble and say, and the mother has got a very concern, and the mother has got a feedback from the other teacher saying that, okay, put the child to the very good art class or something like that. And the mother came with a lot of concerns. So I had tried with the child, and the child had was doing that in the same manner. And what happened is, I was started slowly understanding the child, what the child is trying to explain. And you would not believe the child's imagination, like, his dad is going in an aeroplane with this lines what he's drawing, and he's gone to Dubai, and he's come back, and he's got his gift and all those things. So that picture which has got a lot of connection for the child's imagination. So I told to his mother saying that, okay, your child is amazing, your child is got nothing to do with anything other things, the child is going in a right track. And I had trained the child, and it was a privilege that the child was trained under me till grade 5. And I will have to share you this idea is, I had to copy one of his artwork which he had drawn. It was a fish catching a smaller fish, and that fish catching still more smaller fish, and it would be a cycle. And I know how did the child has come this with this imagination. I was speechless. So what I'm trying to tell you is, always for the small kids, please try to listen to them, what the child has to express in his or her own emotion, what the child is drawing. No matter the child scribbles up and messes up with colors and things like that, it is only for a good art teacher to understand what the child is going. And we will guide them in a better way. And if you have any concerns or something, just post your child's artwork, and I will definitely respond to the child's artwork. And one more thing is, never try to teach more of craft to your children. That is not going to help for his creative imagination. Always try to give him new subjects, new challenges, and slowly try to develop small skills towards it. That will be really helping your child up. Always try to say that, okay, like, if the child is not willing to complete his artwork or something, don't ever force him that, okay, please do it and things like that. If the child is not interested in it, just leave him. He'll go, or she will go here and there and something. Some other time, if the child wants to continue it, they can continue it. Okay, this is the only tip what I'm going to give you for this day today. And if you have any concern or something, please put in the chat box. If you want some uh, uh, art related topics which I'm going to cover it in the next coming classes, I will be using a board and I will be sharing you how to draw, how to, what to do, what not to do, to copy from internet or not to copy from internet. This is only for your child to become a good expert in creative manner. This is only till grade 5 what I'm trying to tell you. From the pre-KG till grade 5, this is the one I'm trying to tell you. Please give them more exposures to the creative imagination. If the child has watched a fly, if the child has watched a flower, if the child has watched a fruit, let the child draw however he or she wants, or let she explore with any colors or something. Let the child mess it up, doesn't matter. Always encourage, always listen to your child's conversation, and he or she will be the best artist in the world. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and you can also click the bell icon so that any other new updates which I'm going to post, you will definitely get it up. Thank you. This is Gino signing out from Bangalore. Bye bye. Thank you.